India's oxygen crisis is deepening with each passing day. Now, amid the much harsher second wave of COVID infections, India has also been suffering from a shortage of medical oxygen. There is a dire need for medical oxygen in hospitals. Several hospitals are sending SOS messages for oxygen. The Indian Air Force helps in airlifting oxygen tanks. Oxygen Express is also carrying life-saving oxygen. And as India's worst medical crisis unfolds, the Prime Minister meets chief ministers to review the COVID-19 situation. Also, I'm told my colleague Akshay Dongre and Meher Pandey as well join us live. Meher, to you first. What's the supply of oxygen looking like currently? And if you could just tell our viewers where exactly your location is as well.
Yes, Parmesh. So I'm at GTB Hospital, which is one of Delhi's biggest COVID hospitals. There are 500 COVID patients being treated here. I can hear myself, so I hope you can hear me fine.
I can. Please carry on, Meher.
But behind me, you can see that patients are being treated on stretchers. They have oxygen supply from these two cylinders that the hospital has put up outside. These pipes are connecting them to oxygen masks, which are giving them much needed supply at this time. Miss Parvati here, we spoke to their family earlier. Her oxygen saturation had dropped to 60, but now she's got some oxygen finally. She might be moved in soon, but there is also a massive bed supply, which is worsening this oxygen crisis alongside this. We also spoke to some workers here earlier who told us that CCTV cameras are being put up above so that they can actually keep watch on the patients who are being treated outside the hospital. They told us that this morning, this entire area was filled with patients on stretchers who were being given last-minute emergency oxygen supply. But obviously there was rain and then it got very hot today, so they were moved inside. Some actually went home. If we go there, there is actually a patient who brought their own personal oxygen cylinder and are being given oxygen here personally. They don't want to admit their patient because they are not trusting that the hospital will take care of them as well as they should. So the situation here is getting dire.
Thank you so much, Meher, for that update again. Deplorable conditions from GTB Hospital, where Meher just brought us an update from. We also have my colleague Akshay Dongre joining us from Batra Hospital, where half an hour of oxygen is left. Akshay, what's the latest? What's going on the ground at the moment?
Well, Parmeshwar, if you are talking about Batra Hospital right now, some kind of breathing space has been provided to the hospital by the Delhi government because a tanker carrying around 1 metric ton of oxygen has reached here, but this will not last more than a few hours. We also have Dr. SCL Gupta, the medical director of Batra Hospital. Will directly speak to him and try to understand. But before that, a very crucial information is that even police has been called by the hospital administration to keep a check on law and order situation, because if anything goes wrong, it is going to create a huge chaos as far as the situation is concerned. Will, Dr. Gupta, sabse pehle, I just want to know just one thing. What exactly are we looking at right now? What is the crisis that you are facing this morning?
See, for the last 3-4 days, we are having a severe oxygen crisis. See, oxygen is the lifeline of these COVID patients, and which is not we are getting. I mean, the thing started, we had two vendors, Goel and Inox. Both of them, they came together and they said we will be supplying by only one vendor, and that is Inox. Okay, that is
responding right now.
That is fine, no problem. Since then, we are not getting. And the situation was day before yesterday, we had a half an hour oxygen. And whole police station, yahan pe the, more than 100 persons were there here in this hospital just to check the law and order situation.
So the situation is extremely bad, sir. This oxygen has been provided by Delhi government. For how long is it going to last now?
This is about 1,000 liters of oxygen on repeated request from us to Delhi government officials, each and every person there, right from the secretary to OSD for oxygen supply. And we have got only 1,000 liters of oxygen. And this is going to supply for 4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours. Still I am thinking what will happen after 4 hours. I mean, see, patients are the same. It's a 500 bedded hospital.
What is the requirement, sir?
7 to 8,000 liters of oxygen per day. Last oxygen which I have received here, 5,005 liters oxygen about 38 hours before. Now 38 hours we have managed with those 5,500. Yesterday only, out of in between these 35 hours, 36 hours, we have received only 1,000 liters of oxygen.
Are your reserves there or are they also empty?
No, nothing is there. It's a half an hour reserve is there. This oxygen means another 4 hours.
That's it.
Iske baad again with the same condition, same
What
situation.
happens if worst case scenario we are talking about here, because police is here? What happens if oxygen is not supplied after 4 to 5 hours?
मनुष्य की जिंदगी ऑक्सीजन से है, और यहाँ पर जो मरीज हैं आजकल वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन चाहिए उन्हें, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए। और सही मामले में इस इन्फेक्शन का जो इलाज है वो पहले ऑक्सीजन है, बाकी बाद में सपोर्टिव थेरेपी है। आप समझ सकते हैं कि अगर ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिली तो क्या होने वाला है।
So it will be a hazardous situation
Haan.
in Batra hospital along with other hospitals if constant supply of oxygen is not provided by the vendors who are in fact responsible for providing oxygen to Batra hospital and to other hospitals including Max Saket. I was there just a few hours back and the situation though had improved after Delhi government itself provided oxygen, but again it is coming back to the same square one. Right now we are in Max Smart Super Speciality Hospital, a hospital by the Max Group. An SOS call was received that 2 Max hospitals in the southern part of the national capital, including where we are standing right now, Max Smart Super Speciality Hospital, and the hospital that is adjacent to this hospital, that is Max Saket Hospital, were running critically low of medical oxygen that is required to treat the patients of COVID-19 as well as all the patients who are also non-COVID but require oxygen supply. As far as the information is concerned, the hospitals were about to run out of the medical oxygen. The INOX, which is vendor responsible for providing medical oxygen, stopped responding as far as the supply is concerned. The Max Hospital was trying to contact them. As far as the agreement was concerned, INOX was supposed to supply medical oxygen to both of these hospitals around last night at 2 a.m. But the oxygen was not supplied, and now we are sure we can see medical oxygen that is being refilled in the tankers, and this is not by INOX, this has been supplied by the Delhi government. But this is not a very big respite to the hospital. In fact, only 1 ton of medical oxygen is being supplied to Max Smart Super Speciality Hospital, and 1 ton of oxygen will be supplied to Max Saket Hospital. This is only going to last for approximately 2 hours. So both of these hospitals have around medical oxygen for till 1 a.m. As far as the number of COVID-19 patients are concerned, there are approximately 550 COVID patients in both of these hospitals. 300 patients are here in Max Smart Super Speciality Hospital and 250 are in Max Saket Hospital, and around 150 other non-COVID patients are also admitted in this hospital. As far as Max Saket is concerned, so far there has been no contact that could have been established with INOX, which is responsible for providing oxygen. And this is not just Max we are talking about. A lot of hospitals in the national capital are responding with same kind of SOS messages that oxygens are running out. Patients who are in requirement of COVID, oxygen support, their life is at stake, and as of now no communication has been established with the vendors, and what exactly is happening right now is still unclear. There have been SOS calls that have been given since morning, but no permanent solution, despite the assurances from the central and as well as the state government has as of now been materialized. When we are talking about liquid oxygen, this is the primary treatment for COVID-19 patients and other patients who have difficulty, and as far as the respiratory process is concerned.